In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set correct Outlook SMTP settings to send emails. We will be working directly inside Microsoft Outlook. And the goal is to make sure your outgoing mail settings are configured properly, so your emails can be sent without errors. If Outlook is able to receive messages but not send them, the SMTP settings are often the first thing you should check. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook. Once Outlook is on screen, go to the top of the window and click on the File tab. This opens the Account Management area, where you can view and adjust settings for the email account connected to Outlook. From there, click Info, and under Account Information, open the drop-down menu, and select the account you want to review. This is important if you have more than one email account added in Outlook, because SMTP settings are specific to each account. Next, go to Account Settings, and then select Server Settings. You may see a drop-down list appear, and from those options, click on Server Settings again. This will open the AMAP Account Settings window, where Outlook shows both your incoming and outgoing mail configuration. Inside that window, click on the Outgoing Mail section. This is the area that contains your SMTP settings, and these settings control how Outlook sends emails from your account. Now, carefully verify the main fields shown here. First, check the server address. Depending on your provider, this might look like smtp.office365.com, smtpmail.outlook.com, or for Gmail, smtp.gmail.com. The exact address depends entirely on your email provider, so it's important that it matches their official settings exactly. Next, review the port number. In many cases, this is usually 587 for TLS or 460, 5 for SSL. After that, check the encryption method and make sure it is set to either TLS or SSL, based on what your provider requires. Even a small mismatch here can prevent Outlook from sending messages. Also make sure the option for My Outgoing Server, or SMTP, requires authentication is checked. This tells Outlook to authenticate properly before sending email, which most providers require for security. Take a moment to confirm that every value in this section matches your provider's recommended settings exactly. Accuracy matters here, including the server name, port, and encryption type. When everything looks correct, click Next. Outlook will test the connection and verify that the SMTP settings work for sending emails. If the test completes successfully, that means your Outlook SMTP settings are now correctly configured, and you should be able to send messages normally. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.